Hollywood celebrity crowd, right? They're good actors, I'll give them that. They make a lot of money, I'll give them that. But they've decided that they're gonna show me, the little guy, what it actually looks like, what it takes to be successful in this world. They're gonna tell me who to vote for. They're gonna tell me what foods to eat. They're gonna tell me how to live my life and what causes to support. I'll tell you what cause I support. I support the cause of trying to have a better life. So what do these A-list celebrities actually have to offer? I don't think very much. Hi, my name is Jeff Lerner, and I did not become a millionaire the traditional way. I didn't work hard for 40 years so I could finally retire. I didn't invent something cool and new. Definitely didn't inherit a trust fund, and I didn't win the lottery. But I did take a massive shortcut. And since then, I've generated over $50 million in revenue for myself from my online businesses. I've been named multiple times to the Inc. 5000 list. I've won multiple 8-figure awards from ClickFunnels and a bunch of other awards and endorsements, and basically just been super blessed. Most importantly for me, I've helped a lot of other people follow their own shortcut, just like I did. And now for the first time, I've put it all into a new book that I just finished called The Millionaire Shortcut. And it's yours for free. And I'm probably not gonna do this for very long, but for right now, you can get it 100% for free. There's no strings attached, there's no shipping cost or credit card requirement or any type of sign up. You just put your information in and I email you the book. You can download it instantly. You can literally be reading this book in the next 5 minutes, and it's less than 20 pages long. You could be done reading it in 30 minutes. And I can guarantee you, this is going to be the best book that you ever read on the subject of how average people are becoming millionaires in the new digital economy. So all you have to do is click the button that's right below this video and put your information in and let me email you a copy of The Millionaire Shortcut. Again, you get it instantly. You can be reading in the next 5 minutes. So just click the button, put in your information, and I will send your book right to you.